Okay, hang on. Okay, we're gonna do how to set up. Wait, hang on. Why isn't this?
Okay, well,
We're gonna do how to set up a Blizzard Maker.
the Dairy Queen.
Yeah, the Dairy Queen Blizzard Maker from like Toys R Us or something, wherever the heck you people get yours. Anyway, she's gonna show you how.
Okay, so first you need this, 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 this. I didn't show you this. Yeah, this, this, and then these are like the cups and the spoons. Okay, so first you're gonna need to put this on that, and then you can put this.
Wait, you need to get this thing. You have to put this in there and all that.
Okay, I'll be right back. I need to get some. I'm sorry, that was a phone call.
Yeah.
Were you just staring at you the whole time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, sorry, that was a phone call. That was my dad. Okay, so, and then you're going to need this. Come up closer. You're always recording far away. You're going to need this and this. You got to stick this in, like, either this way. Remember it was that way? I think it was that way. Yeah. And then you got to add, unless it was this way. I don't remember. Sorry, guys. I think it was this way. Yeah, it has to be this way. Sorry, turn it over. Turn it over. I haven't did this in a while. And then, so you're going to need to do that. Then put, oh yeah, you're going to have to put this on, this lid. It has like a lock, so it means you got to turn it this way so it's locked now. And then you got to put this like over it. This thing on the bottom, the rough side. And then you got to put this
That's
on.
the handle.
Yeah. And then you snap it in, you lock it.
And then, but before you put this in there, you put your ingredients in that silver too. Yeah, you put all your ingredients in here.
Yeah.
Like your ice. Your
No. You put the powder stuff.
powder. You put
And then you
powder,
put, like,
half and half. Sugar and
Sugar.
Sugar.
I think, yeah. That's how to, never mind. And then you put all the ice and like
Yeah,
salt
the ice
in
and
here.
salt in here.
Yeah, and then you snap it in again. Lock it in. Put this in. Snap it. Then this is like a thing you pull out and push in, pull out and push in to
That's
like
how
serve.
to stop it.
To serve, yeah. See right here, that hole. Watch it. You pull it out and it starts coming out right here. Then you lock it in, and then yeah, and then you enjoy.
And then it comes with
2
this
cups
and 2 spoons. Yeah.
Okay, well, oh, and then this. I forgot about this. Yeah. And then whenever, like, you're done with it, all of it will go through here. And then you, whenever, like, you
If you get the stuff that's left in there and you push it out.
push it down. Like that. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Okay, Erica, you can sit there.
Please comment, rate, or subscribe, and request a video. Like, seriously, request a video.
Seriously.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, yeah. Oh, I have to end
Bye.
it for her. Sorry. Bye.